All right, guys, today we have a 2007 Volvo S60. And the customer complaint is that this car, after driving for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, shuts off. It just stalls. And he has definitely touched the parts cannon. Customer states that he's changed the pressure sensor, the module, the fuel pump, and the fuel filter, and the car has not changed. It's still acting up. So I'm in the process of doing a scan. We do have a couple of areas we can investigate. However, the codes were cleared and there are no codes in the ECM. Actually, the ECM is, well, what is going on here? Is it offline? All right, so we're scanning all the modules. The customer cleared the code, so we're probably not going to find any codes. But more than likely, it's going to be a fuel delivery issue, because he says that the codes he retrieved were P0087 and P0089. So actually no, we have some codes. So all right, it looks like we might have some codes. So let me just let it do its full scan, and then I'll come back. So the codes that we have are in the driver door module. We don't care about that. We got 4 codes in the ECM. The most important are these fuel pressure codes. One is, I believe it relates to a 0089. All right, guys, look at this. We have 58 PSI fuel pressure. We got 58 commanded, and let's see, about 47 on the duty cycle. So let me warm this up. I just started the car, so let me get it to operating temp, and then we'll check those values again. All right, guys, the car is idling, and I got the module, the one that's connected. But look at the amps it's pulling. Only 4 amps. All right, this should be pulling at least 6 amps. So just based on the amperage, I'm going to call this a bad fuel pump. We can check the powers and grounds. Let me just see if that's